Hey guys, sorry I didn't see you there. I was distracted by all these fidget toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my collection. So first is this fidget spinner I was playing with. It's really nice. Next are these 3 marble mesh. I got a green one, a red one, and a yellow one. And I like how you can do it like that, and then the ball can move. Next, I have this fidget spinner, which is also a triple dip. Next, I have these 2 mic noodles. I got this big one and this smaller one. I also have this big dimple. I really like this one. And it's also in the shape of a crab. Next, I have this octopus. It's pink on this side and it's happy. And on this side, it's blue and unhappy. Next, I have this fidget spinner, which is pink. And it's also like a dimple, I think. And this is the other side. This is on my pockets, but isn't really working. Because like these pop back up by themselves. Next I have this pea popper, but I don't really like it because they are hard to get out. Next I have this snapper. And this Arby's dress and a dinosaur shoe. I also got this purple popsicle, which is quite fun. And next I also have this octopus that you can flip it like that. And it's also like a puppet because you can pop these. And that's really fun. Next I have this unicorn simple dimple. And also this unicorn simple dimple. And you probably guessed it, I also got this unicorn emoji that sticks on a table. I also got this ball, which is kind of like a Rubik's Cube, just easier to solve. I also got this fidget pad with all these buttons to press. It's really fun. I also got this water tube. I'm not sure if that's a fidget, but I think that's what it is. I also got this infinity cube. I also got this puppet bracelet. I got this rainbow heart pocket. I also got this pink unicorn pocket. I really like this one because it's really good. I also got this owl poppet. I really like this one, and there are 2 faces, and that's really fun. And the last puppet I'm going to show you today is my big puppet. This is one of my newest puppets, and it's really cool. Thanks for watching. Bye!